Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. This is an emergency broadcast. I'm just kidding. The whole world is kind of fixated on how sharply the futures have dropped and how sharply the stocks are falling, and there have been many reasons given for this. One of them is the Japanese forward trade, where people have borrowed from Japan because the interest rates were very low and they had deployed it in other markets, more specifically in the US markets. And as the Japanese central bank raised the interest rate by 25 basis points, it seems that the arbitrage is no longer working. There are margin calls and people are selling, and that's one of the reasons that has been given. The second reason that's been floated around is that after the killing of the Hamas commander during the swearing in of the Iranian president, and Iran has warned that it's going to punish Israel. US has sent some aircraft carrier and fighter planes to support Israel in that area. Of course, Israel has the Iron Dome, but still there's fear that there might be no power supply in Israel for 3 days or so. So there's a lot of things happening geopolitically, and also the latest employment report that came in was not that encouraging. So overall, there's a bit of panic in the market, and I'm going to show you what the VIX looks like pre-market. So I'm just getting into the indicator section and I'll trace the VIX. I'll show you what the VIX looks like. Okay, so now this is where the VIX is. If you see, it's a very, very long spike today, and the VIX at one point went all the way up to 66 and it has come down to 55 now. There is a bit of calming out here. And if we look at NASDAQ futures are saying that it's going to be down 2.38%. And I'm going to look at QQQ pre-market, or let's rather go to QQQ pre-market first. And here we are with QQQ pre-market. It's down 5.06%. So it's somewhere out here. This is the orange line out here showing where it is currently. It has a big drop. It's a gap down after another sharp drop. So things are not looking that great. Momentum is also very weak, and MACD is also very, very bearish. Now, given all of those things, right, let's go and have a look at the AI side, and you will see Apple is down 9.29% pre-market, Nvidia is down 12% pre-market, Meta is down around 7.59% pre-market, Microsoft down 5.16% pre-market, Google down 5.29% pre-market, Amazon down 7.39% pre-market, Tesla down 9.56 pre-market, AMD down 6.77 pre-market, and I'm positioned on FNGD, which is up 23.78% pre-market, and I also have position on FNGU, which is down 22.74% pre-market. And Palantir, of course, is another stock I'm following, which is down 13.22%. I have got covered calls on this, in which I'm going to make money today. So this is the lay of the land, my friends. And my message to you is stay calm and carry on. Okay, don't try to catch a falling knife. You will have plenty of opportunities. If you've been wise enough to have cash handy, I have plenty of cash in my portfolio. So my plan is to sell FNGD, keep the cash handy, and then buy back into FNGU at what I consider will be the bottom, which may probably happen tomorrow or day after, or maybe it could even happen today. So it's fluid. And with all this XXX leverage fund, I keep on forgetting that it's just a positional strategic tool. You cannot hold them overnight. I have made the mistake of holding FNGU overnight for a long period of time. I'm getting punished for that, but I'm not realizing the losses. I'm not going to sell it right now. I'll dollar cost average it down, and I'll show you the result of all my activities maybe a week down the line. But I wanted to share one more thing with you on Palantir. This seems very unlikely for a day like this, but I see a pattern out here which looks very interesting to me, which is my favorite cup and handle pattern. So we have a cup and handle pattern out here, in my opinion, and I'm going to take the lowest point out here, take it to the neckline, and then I'm going to clone it, change the color so that I can see it distinctly, and then move it up so that it's just sitting on top of the other one, just a little more down. Yeah, there it is. It's better to be conservative. I think Palantir has a price target of 33.90, provided it manages to bounce back, and bounce back it will, I think, because I feel that this panic is going to be short-lived. Once people have covered their margin call positions and everything, the market will start coming back again, because the drop is too juicy to ignore. That's my feeling. Of course, this is my personal opinion, not financial advice. So please do your own due diligence. Please do give me your feedback in the comment section so that I can see what is happening. And I will catch up with you again in the next video. Bye for now.